camera was $300. So like for $120, you can have a stand. I'm like, or I can build it out of spare parts in my garage and save myself $120. So, but the thing about it is you can, if you miss class, it's better than nothing. Better than nothing. So, is that recording? Yeah. So, that's kind of how the schedule page gets built. Fair enough so far? Maybe, okay, good. Ask me questions if you have them right now. Other than what did I get myself into? Anybody bothered, back on the schedule page, I'll go back there with you all. Oops, I went too far. So, did you notice the what's due on Thursday? Did anybody get nervous that there was something due today? We had class today? I hope you didn't. I didn't mean to make you all nervous. Good, you didn't, because you also read due dates are actually 10 a.m. on Fridays each week. Yeah, I do this intentionally. Some students ask me, why don't you just put the stuff that's due on Friday? I did that originally, and I had students, more than a couple, come to class that day, thinking they had to come to class. And I'm like, oh God, it's Tuesday, Thursday. They're just like, yeah, but you said it was due on Friday. I'm like, but it's due electronically. Oh. And I felt so bad about that, because I know how far some of you are coming to get here. And I appreciate that. And I want to respect that time and respect your guest budget. So I put stuff that's actually due Fridays at 10 a.m. I list it on the day we have class, closest to that, if that makes sense. So there are 2 quizzes that are due tomorrow. Did anybody open them? Let's open one. Which one do you want to open? The website quiz or the primer mathematics quiz? The mathematics one? I heard websites. We'll open them both. Let's do the primer mathematics one first. If you open this bad boy up, it's a series of questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and some point values next to them. Some point values. If you add the points up, it should have the 10, because the quiz is worth 10 points. Okay? Your job, do these. I want to put your mind at ease right now. I got a wonderful email from someone this morning, and I appreciate it if it was somebody in here that asked me, how do I convert this to, I love that, thank you so much. Don't worry about conversion. Here's think of this as a page of a textbook. Think of this as a page of a textbook. This is like a page, like the exercise section of your textbook. Because it's really what it is. Your job is just either take a piece of paper and handwrite the answers, or open up a Microsoft Word document and type the answers. Your choice. If you do the first, just make sure that you can, number 1, make sure I can read it. And number 2, make sure you submit it in the correct format. We'll talk about that in a second. Promise. Okay? So you don't ever have to print this or convert this. Anything I ask you to do electronically, it's just there for you to get the stuff off of. Think of it as a textbook. You're not holding it, it's on a web existence plane. What does that mean? It's there. I say things. So you work these problems. Convert that to a decimal and a percentage, extract that as a blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Remember I told you, addition, subtraction, multiplication. I forgot to mention exponents. I guess that's multiplication. Down here, just real quick, one note, which is covered in the syllabus somewhere. Every once in a blue moon, you'll see a little W next to a problem. That just means to explain how you got your answer. Some of those are really straightforward, like express 6/41 as a percentage. I'm assuming you're going to take a calculator and go 6 divided by 41 and then round it off. I don't need to see that. You know how to do that. I'm curious to figure out how you get that answer if you so choose to do this quiz. That's what the W means. It might be algebra. That's totally fine. It might be words. That's totally fine. It might be some kind of a drawing with arrows. It's totally fine. All students think differently. Just show me how you got your answer. What I want for that one is not just the number. I want to know how you got that number. It might be trial and error. Who likes that? Who likes trying an answer, seeing if it works, trying a different answer, seeing if it works? Yeah, that works wonderfully well, as a matter of fact. Got any rock climbers in here? I use it all the time when I rock climb. All the time, because I suck. So I throw myself in a hole. I keep throwing myself to, oh, wait a minute, I gotta hold it this way. Okay, got fingertips left, but it's okay. Trial and error. Works in math too. Fair enough? So let's say you do this quiz. Where have you done it? Where have you done it if you've done this quiz? What do you think? Word document. You got a Word document. Love it. You're gonna save that bad boy. How are you gonna submit it to me? Blackboard. This is the only thing I use Blackboard for in this course, just FYI. I don't like locking stuff behind passwords. Everything I've got is open. I love that, because people all over the world find this website somehow. I've got people from Europe sending me thank yous for the YouTube videos. I'm like, how did you find this? But that's why I don't like using Blackboard for that kind of stuff. But for submission, since you all have Blackboard access, you're going to go into Blackboard. It should open right up to the page where you submit stuff, I think. Is that correct? So if you go to everybody go to Blackboard right now, if you'd be so kind, just check for me. I think I coded it this year. That looks...
This is quiz, website, and quiz primer.
Yes, submit stuff here, quiz website, quiz primer. There you go. Those links will disappear at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So make sure you get the stuff submitted before then, okay? What if you don't submit it? Will I give you a 0? No, because quizzes are optional, right? If you don't submit the quiz, it just doesn't become part of your grade this week. That's all. So if you're freaking out tomorrow because it's 11 o'clock and the folder isn't there, let it go. Let it go. Or send me an email and we'll figure something out for the first week. But it doesn't penalize you if you don't get a quiz in. A little weird. I know it's a little weird. I totally get it's a little weird. I appreciate that. Okay? Talk to me, Roger.
So none of the quizzes, like there's no specific.
There's no mandatory quiz anywhere. I messed around with that idea once and students didn't like it. I'm like, man, there's a better way to do it. And I think I'll explain more after the break, the better way I found. Yeah, they're all optional in the fact that do the ones you think you should do, and don't hold yourself to just 10. I would recommend doing more, because they do operate as padding your grade the more you do. And you're good students. I trust you that you're good students.
It's also better to get them out of the way earlier, because I learned that in 105 when I left until the last minute.
Yeah, see? So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking like, God, it seems so like, but the thing about it is if you think about active learning, it's better to stay on top of them and do them as they come. At least one. I try to offer at least 2 a week, so you can toggle between which one you want to do. And they'll be similar in topic, most likely. So you guys will figure out pretty quickly, like, oh, I should stay on top of this. Which means you'll be doing quizzes pretty regularly. Cool? I just hate rigidity when it comes to learning, because think about how you learn anything. Does it happen in a linear format? No. It happens in leaps and bounds. I remember the first time I learned how to cast a fly rod more than 40 feet. It all happened one day. After 3 years of hooking myself in the face, and hooking the tree behind, hooking my son, all of a sudden I let this fly out 40 feet. Like, holy shit. That just happened. That just happened. And that's the way learning happens. It happens in these weird leaps and explosions and bounds. I just try to give you that opportunity for it to happen. Talk to me.
Will we know which quiz to skip? Like,
That's going to depend on the person. That's the thing. It's going to depend. If you open up a quiz and you don't understand it or you don't think it's something you could do, let that one go. Just let that one go. Remember, any individual quiz is not mandatory. Is that fair enough? Okay. I guarantee you'll get the hang of it. Talk to me.
So once we take it and we get our score back, we're like, we just can't scratch that.
So can I tell you what? Tell me your name again.
Joseph.
Joseph, thank you. I know I've talked to you many times. I know.
Yeah.
Let's come back to that after break, because I've gone past 11 now. Let me do a quick roll check. I think people are in now. We'll make sure we got enough desks for everybody, and we're going to answer Joseph's question. Did you hear what he said? What happens if we bomb a quiz? Do we drop it? The quick answer is no. Don't hate me for that, because I've got a better response than just, I'm not going to drop it. But let's come back after break, because you're starting to get that glazed look on your faces. I want to kick you out of here and get some cold air on it. Let's turn this off, because I don't want the...